this is before and this is after. How to smooth any of the edges and any of the vertices, any of the vertex, how to make it smooth just by using the bevel function in Blender 5.1. My name is Freedom. In this tutorial, I'm going to just show you all the step by step how to smooth any vertices and any edges for any of the 3D mesh in Blender 5.1. Let's go. Alright, everything starts from beginning. This is Blender 5.1. Now I have a cube, or if you want to delete everything, it's okay. I press A and delete everything. Then I just add a random mesh. I'm going to add a cube as well. This is a cube. So to create the bevel, to just make the edge to be smooth, or make any of the vertex to be smooth, this is called edge, vertex. So I may just go to the edit mode. Now I can click any single vertex because now the select mode is the vertex. I can select any single vertex. I press Ctrl+B and drag, then click the bevel. It is at the bottom, left hand side, the left bottom. Click the vertices. You can see the affect the vertices. Choose affect vertices. Now you can see this vertex already separated into 3 vertices. Now this corner already becomes smooth, but you still can adjust more because now the segments is only 1. I can drag the segment to just make it become 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Now you can see this vertex already separated into so many segments. Now this is really smooth, just like an eraser that already used. Alright, the segment you can adjust it anytime. And then the width you can adjust as well. The default for now is 0.7, sorry, this is 0.378 meter. So I drag the width. I can just make it bigger. The segments, let's say this is only one segment. The width, I can make it big, I can make it small. Then after that, select the segment. It is really cool. You can adjust it anytime. Alright. Then if you click the empty area here, all of the options will disappear and it is irreversible. You only can just press undo. So now I click the empty area, everything already back at here. Next, if you move your mouse cursor to here, the select mode choose the edge. Then you can select any of the edge. Of course, if you select any of the edge, you press Ctrl+B, you can add the bevel, you can make the whole edge to become smooth as well. Alright, of course now it affects the edges. If you click the vertices, it will affect on the vertices. So now I choose the edges. Then the width you can choose how wide you want to have the bevel. And then the segments. If you choose a lot of segments, then the bevel will be really smooth. So now I choose 10, totally 10 bevels here. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create bevels and smooth the vertices or smooth any edges for your Blender 5.1 3D meshes. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!